Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet by Makran. Today we will learn how to make a double crochet. So we are using these t-shirt yarns and a 5mm hook and a pair of scissors. Before starting, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So doing double single crochet, we will first make a slip knot in our hook like this. Now we will do 10 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here we have 10 chain stitches. Now we will make 3 extra chain stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and we will count these 3 extra chain stitches as our first double crochet. Now we will wrap the yarn around the hook like this and skip these first 3 chains and put the hook through this 4th chain like this. Now we will grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the loop like this. Now we have 3 loops in our hook. Now we will grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the first 2 loops like this. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Now we will grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the last 2 loops in our hook, and we have made our first double crochet. Again, wrap the yarn around the hook like this, put it through the next chain stitch, grab the yarn behind here, pull it through the chain stitch like this, and we have 3 loops in our hook. Now grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the first 2 loops, and now we have 2 loops in our hook. Now we will grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the last 2 loops, and we have made our second double crochet. We will do same process till the end, exactly like this. Wrap the yarn around here, pull the hook through this loop like this, grab it. Here we have finished our double crochet stitches till the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will do our next row of double crochet. For this we will make 3 chain stitch. First 1, 2, 3 and turn our work like this. Now we will wrap the yarn around our hook and do our first double crochet like this. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and we will do the last double crochet in the this top of the 3 chains, this chain, 1 2 3, this chain, and finished our row like this. Now we have finished our row exactly like this. So here we have finished our double crochet stitch. Thank you for watching my channel and this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.